Hey friends, if you wish to force delete a folder on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, what does it even mean by force deleting a folder? So usually to delete a folder, all we need to do is right click on it and select the bin icon or the delete icon or hit the delete key. But what if it is a Windows system folder? In that case, you cannot delete it. And many of these folders are in the C drive. I will recommend against deleting these folders because it may cause issues to your computer. But if you know what you're doing, if you are supposed to delete a certain Windows subsystem folder, then I'll help you with it. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now the path for this is mentioned here. Okay. So it is rmdir space /s space /q space and then the path. Now the path does not mean that you have to write the word path. You have to mention the path of the folder. For example, this is the folder. So how would I find its path? Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Delete everything in the field. Pull this folder to the run window and you get the path. Now copy this and paste it here and you get the exact command line. Now copy it and paste it in the command prompt window and hit enter. Let's see if it has been deleted. Yes, the folder is gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.